Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you guys a new thing I found that hasn't really been caught on to yet, where you can make up to $5,000 per month with affiliates using this website known as Temu. Now, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, Temu is pretty much a website where it's kind of like you can purchase stuff and it has like a lot of sales, but they're actually running a temporary affiliate program. Actually, I think it's new, where pretty much you can make $5 for every single person that you refer, plus a 20% commission of their first order via your link. So as you guys can see, you can actually withdraw via PayPal just by making $20, which is actually insane. So this is probably one of the best referral programs if you want to make a lot of money per referral. So I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how to do so. So the first thing that you guys want to do is you want to sign up to their affiliate program. This isn't allowed to everybody, but if you use the code in my description, then you can actually sign up to be an affiliate. So you want to use the link in my description that I have, and then you want to sign up to be an affiliate, and then go to share to earn right here. After you go to the affiliate program tab, go to share to earn, and then you see that you have your affiliate link. So you want to use your affiliate link and you want to send it to literally anybody. So say if you have a friend, right? Send it to your friend, and if your friend uses it and literally just downloads the app with your link, you'll get $5. So if you do 4 friends, then you'll get $20. Just like that, and you'll be able to withdraw. Or, you can use TikTok or whatever, you can use YouTube, just advertise your code, and you get $5 every single time somebody downloads your, downloads the app with your code, and you get a 20% commission for whatever their first order is. Now, I'm not sure if they're gonna do that, but that's just an extra $5 on top of everything. So they also have a program where it's called a referral bonus race. So you make 3 referrals, you get $5. It's just a little extra bonus. You get $10 referrals, you get $30, and you get 50 referrals, you get a $200 bonus. So it's just extra money on top of the $5 that you're getting. And this is very legit. I know people who have gotten, thousands of dollars from this, and you can withdraw all the money to PayPal. So what I recommend you guys do is pretty much sending this link to everybody that you know. Not, obviously don't be spammy with it, but send this to maybe a couple friends. Post it on TikTok. You can get a free 30% off, because they will get a 30% off discount if you send them the code. So yeah, you just send them the code and you'll get $5 after they make an account and download the app with your link or code. So yeah, I just wanted to guys put you on. If you actually are a long time watching my channel, I haven't posted in a long time, but I had to put you guys on this because this is just an insane money making method. It's not like a pyramid scheme or anything. It's literally just an affiliate program. It's just a flat rate of $5 that you make whenever you think, and you get 20% of whatever they make. It's not like down the line. So make sure you guys use my link in the description. I put a link in the description down there, and then it will take you to become an affiliate. Sign up to be an affiliate, and then refer as many people as you want and make some cash, because this is actually insane. $5 per referral is insane. Affiliate programs out there right now, you guys need to take advantage of this. It's practically free money. All you have to do is get somebody to use your link, download it on their phone, and then you make $5 instantly credited to your account. Affiliate cash available. You get $5, and then you can withdraw it to PayPal. So yeah, that is actually literally insane. I mean, I don't know how this is a thing, but it is. So anyways, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna be making more Temu videos if you guys are curious on how to use TikTok or YouTube to actually get referrals. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Make sure you use my affiliate link, and yeah.